Every time one of you grows a little bit of a beard, maybe he heard a couple of ahadith on YouTube, now he thinks he's a sheikh. Everyone wants to come and preach to me. Get out of here, man. I don't need this in my life. Let me do my thing. An attitude towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like someone that he doesn't need Allah. And then there's the opposite too. There's the guy who, mashallah, he's been on deen for a couple of years, and I hate this term, on deen or religious. What is religious? What does it mean to be on deen? Who defines who is and who isn't on deen? Who died and gave us the authority to claim whether this person is or isn't on deen anyway? Have we become so shallow that now because you got a nice beard, you wear a nice white abaya, Allahu Akbar, this guy's pumped.